Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning, February 21st, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, first chart of corn here we'll put up here. Certainly a sideways trading market. The corn market growing a little impatient in here. Certainly USDA announcements of Chinese purchases of corn or ethanol or DDGs would certainly push corn market higher in here. We have the USDA 2020 forum going on yesterday and today. There'll be results with that. And my analysis, certainly we get a normal spring. You're going to see a lot of acres planted into corn here. And the market knows that and aware of that. And we're just looking for the demand picture to pick up. Next chart of soybeans here. You can see soybeans, they got a little too cheap a week or two ago. Chinese purchases of U.S. soybeans announced by the USDA would be just perfect antidote for this market to continue to trade higher. Market is growing impatient here. There is some talk that China is going to put off the back burner some of these U.S. purchases. So the market very eager to see and hear about this situation in China with the coronavirus and where we go from there. Math-wise, fundamentally, markets are poised for a breakout to the upside, and here's why. The stocks-to-use ratio in these grain markets, they were 112 metric tons. Now they were 106, and this year they're projected to be 96 stocks-to-use ratio. So keep in mind, unlike wheat, under 90, the market gets concerned, but the feed grain, it's under 60. So we're getting closer and closer to that. And the feed demand story in our country is really great. The number of meats in our country, so the demand for corn and soybean meal, really strong here. We just need exports to pick up. That'd be a good antidote for higher prices. Soybean meal exports at a 15-month high. That's really, really positive. So we continue to move forward here with this China-USA and see if China can't buy some U.S. agricultural products. Okay, the wheat market here, trending higher. Earlier we had a 20-cent move to start the week here. There was talk of locusts in Europe, and that spooked the Chinese markets. Matif market leads the rally when it goes higher, the European wheat market. So we'll see how this wheat can perform in here, perhaps provide some leadership for the corn market going higher. We'll have to see. It's really important here for the week that we close strong and get into next week with some higher prices. Let's all have an excellent weekend.